Folks, how's she going today? Once again, I'm Ned from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. And today I want to talk about the ThinkStation Lenovo. This is a sweet machine, a P340. I got an i9 in here. i9 is what everybody needs to show off to their friends and neighbors to make sure that they know that you are a better human being than them based off the things that you own. Since that's generally the case, you'd think the fact that this thing has an RTX 5000 in it would also get it a sticker, but apparently that's not how these things work. Oh man, check that sweet thing out. She's a beaut, mate. Mercy. Got her all plugged in, turned on. Look at how many cores we got there. And as you can see right over here, we got the i9 10th generation, 32 gigabyte. As you can see, we've opened up MinerGate, and I'm getting a relatively decent hash rate just off this card. You can see where it says $1.30 a day. When I turned the CPU on, I was making an extra 3 cents a day, which is pretty crazy because with an older Xeon, I can make 10 cents a day. Anyways, here are the stats of the RTX 5000 for anyone who cares. Alright, first off, let's play some Fortnite. I'm happy to see that the computer I'm using this with has internal speakers. Okay, we're in the waiting room. Everything's looking real good. Definitely not getting any lag at all. So yeah, the waiting room is 60 frames per second. Of course, we're in the bus at 60 frames per second. Of course, I'm expecting perfection from this. Nothing less than perfection. Anyways, we're coming down 60 frames per second. This thing hasn't hit a glitch. It hasn't hit a wall. It hasn't hit anything yet. Playing beautifully. You'll notice as soon as we get out of the bus, we got the roads. Now, you all know how much I love to grief people on the way down, but I might have deployed a little bit early or late. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you. Yeah, bring it, son, yeah! Oh no! Alright, let's try that again. Try it again. I really don't like that parachute. Don't run! Don't run! Oh, I can do it too, see? Now I'm gonna get you. 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare thumb war. Oh, you think that shotgun's gonna save you? Not today, Galvatron. So this system's definitely so powerful that when I play this game, it really feels like this is way over the maximum, of course, than what Fortnite requires. Come get some, boy, yeah! Everything just loads up perfectly and beautifully. There's never any instances where you walk up to something and it's almost artifacting until the memory can catch up with it. Gotcha. Oh, there's two of yous, is there? I'll get extra flavor, extra fun. Oh, or not, whatever. So yeah, not so bad. Next up, we got some Grand Theft Auto 5, and something I'm a little surprised to see is I'm getting a fraction of input lag here, and I'm not sure why. Man, the gameplay just looks and feels immaculate, so smooth, round edges on everything. Well, I guess I got a little bit of somewhat jaggedness right about there. Feels like she's playing at about 60 frames per second. I'm not getting any input lag. I'm not getting any lag of any sorts. Like on some systems, you run into issues when you get into metropolitan areas and more things need to spawn in. You get little jittery lags, but I am definitely not seeing that on this. And I better not, because this is a freaking expensive card. Once again, a Quadro card. Quadro is made for CAD. I'm using it for gaming, but now that it is so hard to find certain graphics cards, sometimes you just take whatever you can get, and geez, this thing's beautiful. This thing is beautiful. Whee! Next up, let's try some Cyberpunk 2077. Oh yeah, that's looking a lot better than any other video card I've seen. That's smooth. Okay, that is smooth. I have not had this game play this smoothly. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Next up, of course, let's try out Passmark Benchmark. Oh man, okay, DirectX 9, we're going at almost 300 frames per second here. DirectX 10 going at about 300 frames per second, 333 even when we're super close. That's freaking amazing. That is just freaking amazing. DirectX 11 with the Space Jellyfish rocking out at about, geez, up to 115 frames per second. Man, I'm not having any problem with the tilt there. The globe, there wasn't any frame fracturing at all. And last but not least, we have DirectX 12 rocking at about 100 frames per second. Smooth, really smooth, looking really good. But geez, for the money you'd pay for a card like this, it dang well better be. What was this, a $4,000 or $5,000 video card? Unbelievable, unbelievable. We got a base score of 7,770. That's the best that I've got. Here we can see the 3D graphics. I got 1,000, and on the 3D, I have 17,000 and 180. So this thing's freaking powerful. This thing's stacked. If you definitely got some CAD, you definitely need to be doing this. You are going to be paying an awful lot of money for it because we're in the situation we're in with the supply chain. And it's just hard to get anything. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Neff from Neff's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like stuff. It's always appreciated. And folks, as always, take care of each other, will you?